Hey you guys, it's your boy Odin from Host.Promo, a website that reviews the best web hosting companies and promotions, and I have an amazing 70% off plus free SSL certificate promotion to Siteground that you can use with the link down below in the pinned comment and the description. And just I want to show you guys, out of all the companies I have listed on Host.Promo, I have Siteground number one for many reasons. And don't take it just from me. Let me go ahead and show you something really cool. So this is WordPress.org, which powers about 25-30% of the websites on the World Wide Web. And they have reviewed thousands and thousands of hosting companies, and they have also came to the same conclusion as me, and they recommend Siteground, okay? Even if you're not using WordPress, Siteground is still an amazing host to use. They have web hosting, reseller hosting, shared hosting, cloud hosting, dedicated hosting, enterprise hosting, WooCommerce hosting, student hosting, WordPress hosting, you name it, they have it. And they're very, very confident with their service. And that's why they have a 30-day money-back guarantee on most of their services and a 15-day money-back guarantee on some of their other services. So if you're not fully satisfied, you can easily get your money back. The company has been in business since 2004 and has data centers strategically spread around the world, so you can make sure your website visitors have a very fast and smooth experience, okay? And they have monthly and yearly payments depending on the plan. They even have DDoS protection, load balancer services, and they're very transparent with their executive team. You can read about them, you can learn about them. Siteground is a very honest and transparent company, and they provide a very great service. I would highly recommend you take advantage of the promotion down below, which you'll get 70% off and a free SSL certificate. If you have any questions about Siteground or web hosting, feel free to leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And make sure to check out my website, Host.Promo, if you want to compare other web hosting companies and promotions that are currently going on. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.